Building a home gym can feel overwhelming when you're not sure which fitness equipment is worth the investment. Choosing the right smart fitness equipment helps you create an efficient workout space that supports your fitness goals while making every workout more effective. Welcome to WholeToolBox. In this video, we'll show you how to build the ultimate home gym setup with smart fitness equipment and how to choose the right equipment for your workout needs. Smart fitness equipment enhances your workouts by monitoring performance and providing feedback. Choosing the right gear is determined by your space, preferences, goals, and budget. Poor choices can waste space and reduce motivation, so plan carefully to meet your requirements. Let's explore the essential fitness equipment that can help you build a versatile and effective home gym. Adjustable weights provide versatile strength training without needing various equipment. Cardio machines enhance endurance and heart health conveniently at home. Smart workout stations integrate multiple exercises in a compact form, perfect for small spaces. Fitness trackers monitor progress and motivate users, while recovery tools like foam rollers aid muscle recovery and minimize injury risks post-exercise. When choosing smart fitness equipment, consider your available workout space, primary fitness goals, equipment versatility, connectivity features, durability, ease of use, and long-term value. Selecting equipment that matches your lifestyle will help you stay consistent and get the most from your investment. Regular maintenance also plays an important role in keeping your equipment performing at its best. Clean surfaces after workouts, inspect moving components regularly, tighten loose hardware when necessary, and follow recommended maintenance guidelines to help extend the life of your equipment. If you're ready to build or upgrade your home gym, find the link in the description or visit WholeToolBox.com for helpful resources, fitness equipment, and accessories. Thanks for watching.